You're watching Cloudy with a Chance of Pizza with Jason Nappy weather. Beautiful sunrise over Maine today. We'll see sun mixed with clouds, and then we're going to warm things up. A thank you to our sponsor for the love of food and drink at O'Hara's Kennebunk, Morning Walk Lane, soups, salads, sandwiches, treats, and meals to go. Thursday to Sunday, 10 to 4. Thank you for being our sponsor today. Let's get a pizza in the oven. Find out where that mystery pizza is going to be later on into the show. Can't wait for that. And we'll get into the forecast now and show you what's going on the next 10 days. The only 10-day forecast in Maine, made by scratch right here. For your Saturday, Sunday, on your weekend, 26, 28 in the mountains. So we're making that gradual climb to the freezing mark. And we get there on Monday. And then Tuesday, 41. So I'm going to introduce rain and snow showers Tuesday into Wednesday at 36, still above freezing. Thursday, still above freezing. And then the cool down Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of the following week. So temperatures coming down. Inland, for the weekend, we're getting above freezing for the first time in weeks. Now, I want to point out also that Caribou hasn't been above freezing for a month. So one of the coldest stretches up in Caribou in the county, but inland 38, 38, 45, 43. So there's definitely an opportunity here for some rain shower activity anytime we're seeing temperatures in the 40s. And the storm, I'm holding that off now until the following weekend. So until Sunday of next weekend. So for this weekend, it is dry at the coast through your Saturday, February 22nd, 2025. Making a run for 40 on Sunday. And then we get to the 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then we cool down and we'll see about a storm for the following weekend. On Nappy's notes, it's above freezing temps for the mountains too, just a little bit slower for that, but it will happen. Wintry precip next week and the latest storm trends. So right now, nothing significant until the end of next weekend. Today's forecast is sun and clouds, northwest wind 10 to 15. Not as windy as it was earlier in the week, but there will be a breeze, so it's not going to be a warmer kind of 31. Anytime you get a breeze when we're below freezing, not a warm day. But we'll take it. Now, the forecast on Saturday, a west wind 5 to 10, clouds to sun. The afternoon looks pretty decent. Light westerly breeze, 34 degrees at the coast, where we are getting above freezing. For the mariners, on your Friday, notice here, at worst, it's a small craft, seas around 2 feet. Same thing on Saturday, northwest wind around 5 to 10 knots. Here's the forecast next 2 days in Maine. Notice no colors on the map, no precip on your Friday, no precip on your Saturday. So really just except for a few snow showers into Saturday night while you're sleeping, that is it. And the wind is going to be either northwest, light. So the higher wind is going to be over in the water, less wind inland, and then look at that westerly breeze come in. So that's going to bring up slightly milder temps. I wouldn't call it warm, but on the milder side. So temperatures here, notice here, the next 2 days, at night we're still cold. A cold night is coming, but in the afternoons we're getting around that freezing mark popping up with those temps making a run for those 30s. And then eventually, next week, these are the high temperatures next week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, high temperatures in the 40s. Now, probably not quite up into the county, but definitely pushing far enough inland where you're seeing those 40s, those lighter and darker blues pop up. So the biggest warm-up we've had in a month is coming. As far as precip goes, now, we're quiet for a couple of days here. That red line is the freezing line. And eventually we'll get a little rain-snow mix to come through by Tuesday, Wednesday. That moves out. Then again on Thursday, Friday, another weak wave on the weather highway. And then again, here's the next storm. This is like Sunday, Monday of next weekend. That one has an opportunity to be somewhat significant. So you take the snowfall kind of idea. I wouldn't call it a forecast or, actual amounts, but go out, 10 days here and show, all this map shows me here is that there's an opportunity for snow. And the best opportunity is going to be away from the coastline right now, at least for the next 7 days. And then we'll see what happens after that for the end of next weekend. But right now, I do not expect anything significant for the next 7 days, okay? So we're going to see, obviously, some changes coming right into the forecast. Let's talk about it now. So we'll get into your mystery pizza here on Cloudy with a Chance of Pizza. And there it is. It's not pizza, but it's just about as good. Okay, I want to talk about on MDI in Southwest Harbor. There is this small bakery. Most of them are pretty small, right? Those are the best ones. And it's called Little Notch Bakery. It's in Southwest Harbor. And this is the best meatball parm I have ever had in my life, bar none. Okay, so you've got meatballs made there, cheese, sauce, all made there, inside the focaccia that they make right there. I ate this whole thing, and I ate pizza. We'll get to the pizza someday there, which was also very good, but the meatball parm stole the show. So a shout out to Little Notch Bakery in Southwest Harbor. This is the most unique meatball parm. It inspired me to want to make meatball parm inside focaccia. Normally you have meatball parm kind of like on a sub roll or something. This is the way to do meatball parm. This thing, and this is a lot of food, that's only half, and it's gone. Completely gone. I devoured it. I loved every piece of it. So a big thank you to Little Notch Bakery in Southwest Harbor. I don't know if someone sent me there or what, but I just remember it being an incredible, incredible pizza. So thank you so much for that wonderful experience. Thank you for watching Jason Nappy Weather and Cloudy with a Chance of Pizza. I appreciate you being here. Have a great rest of your day. I'll get you the forecast on nappycast.com and jasonnappyweather.com coming up soon.